Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to verify your Faceit account, guys. This process is super simple, and here is the full guide how you can do this process and how you can verify your account. But before you start verifying your account, you need to make sure that the country you selected in your account and the country on your ID or international passport are the same. So if your country selected on Faceit is other, first of all, you need to change it to the correct one. And after that, you can start the verification process. And the important question is, how long will it take to verify your account? This process might take 3 to 4 steps depending on choosing options, guys. And once submitted, verification times may vary depending on the volume of requests, but typically take no more than few minutes to few hours, guys. So this is a very quick process. And now let's start how you can verify yourself on Faceit. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Faceit account settings, and you need to provide your face capture and your documents, guys. And you need to make sure that your documents are ready before you start this process. So if you are ready, you can take your phone and scan this QR code. And the first step is taking a selfie, guys. So you need to capture your face. You need to put yourself in this circle right here, and that's the first step. And now the important thing, you need to verify your documents, so you can take your international passport, ID card, or driving license, guys. You need to capture the image. After that, you will be verified. So after you will upload your document, you will be verified. As I told you in the beginning, it will take from few minutes to few hours. If you failed, guys, there are some reasons. First of all, you need to check the country you selected in your account and your real country on your passport, guys. Also, you need to make sure that you're 18 years old. You shouldn't wear the glasses in the selfie. You need to scan the real documents, not a photocopy or just image, guys. Make sure identity document is not expired. Also, if you have another verified account, you can't verify another one because you can have only one verified account. Also, you can check the lightnings in your room, guys. The photo should be clear. Also some other things, guys. So that's how you can verify your account on Faceit. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.